Alright, so the other example from this section that I wanted to do was how to expand a series that's in summation notation. Keep in mind with this notation, I just want to throw this out there, that this I is not the same I involved in imaginary numbers. I don't know why they use the same I, probably just to confuse poor math students, and I apologize for that, but that's the way it is. So, this I is not the same as the square root of -1 that we were looking at in the last section, so please don't let that confuse you. You think of that I as just another x that we're going to substitute values for. And speaking of which, to start this is actually a fairly simple thing. It looks intimidating, but it's really not. All you're going to do is look at what value for I you're supposed to start with, and this number on top tells you where you should stop. And you're simply going to plug in each integer specified between this starting value and this ending value and write plus signs between them. So this may be clearer if I actually start doing it. So I'm going to start with 3 because that's what they tell me to start with. So for every I in this expression, I'm going to substitute in a 3. So I've got 3 minus 3 here times 3 plus 2. Okay, and this great big sigma sign here means you're going to sum all of these terms. So I'm going to write a plus sign. And then I'm going to move to the next integer up from 3, which is 4. Substitute that in for I. So I've got 4 minus 3 times 4 plus 2. And again, plus sign. Now I'm going to do it with 5. 5 minus 3 times 5 plus 2. Again, another plus sign. Now I'm going to do it with 6. 6 minus 3 times 6 plus 2. And then I'm going to do it with 7. 7 minus 3 times 7 plus 2. That's where I stop because, again, this number up here, that tells me where I need to end my summation. Okay, and now all I have in here are numbers. I can crunch this out, find out what the answer is. So if I look at each term in parentheses individually, I have 3 minus 3 here, which is 0, times 3 plus 2, which is 5, 4 minus 3, which is 1, times 4 plus 2, which is 6, 5 minus 3, which is 2, times 5 plus 2, which is 7, 6 minus 3, which is 3, times 6 plus 2, which is 8, 7 minus 3, which is 4, times 7 plus 2, which is 9. Okay, so now I have a whole bunch of numbers that I can just add up together. So 0 times 5 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 8 is 24, 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, and again, I add those all up together because that's what this symbol means, and that's the plus signs that I put in between them all. That symbol means that we're going to sum all these up. Okay. So the answer for this one is B. Okay. So that's the extent I have for 12.1. Please let me know if you have any questions on it.